Hi everybody, it's Lydia from BlindsbyPost, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your motorised blind with an RTS motor to your Somfy TaHoma Switch. If your blind uses RTS technology, I'll show you step by step how you can add this in the TaHoma app. To begin, download the TaHoma by Somfy app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. The app is available for free for iOS and Android devices. Before downloading, confirm your smartphone meets the minimum OS requirements listed in the App Store. Open the TaHoma app, select Start a new installation, then choose your box model, the Somfy TaHoma Switch. Connect your Somfy TaHoma Switch to a wall outlet using the supplied power cable. Wait for the LED on the top of the device to begin flashing blue. This may take up to 5 minutes. Once the LED is flashing blue, select Next in the app. You will be prompted to connect via Bluetooth for configuration. Allow Bluetooth access when requested. If the LED is not flashing blue, follow the on-screen troubleshooting steps in the app. Once detected, the app will begin the connection process and automatically search your available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Your Wi-Fi network must operate on 2.4 GHz and be password secured. Create a new Somfy account or log in if you already have one. The email address used must not already be associated with another TaHoma. Follow the remaining in-app instructions to complete activation. Once complete, your TaHoma Switch is ready to pair devices. Open the TaHoma app and navigate to My Home. Select Add Equipment. If you have a Cruise multi-channel remote, you should select the Somfy Situ 05 remote. Choose the category that matches your RTS product. When prompted to scan a QR code, ignore this step for RTS devices and continue to manual programming. Using the RTS remote, press and hold the programming button on the back of the remote until the motor jogs a brief up and down movement. This confirms the product is ready to pair. Return to the TaHoma app and follow the on-screen instructions. Once detected, name the device and assign it to a room. Your RTS device is now successfully paired and ready to be controlled, added to favourites or included in the scenes and schedules. And that's how easy it is to pair your RTS device with your TaHoma Switch.